1 gig, what is it? 1 gig is a term that is used to define a quantity of energy. 1 gig equals $20 billion worth of energy. There are those who believe that we can reduce the cost of manufacturing in the United States by $20 billion. That is to make manufacturing more efficient and to drive the cost of energy out of that process to the extent that it equals $20 billion. Can you imagine what that would do to the competitive nature of our manufacturers today? Manufacturing and transportation represent 60% of the total energy used in the United States today. If you were going to try to address an energy problem in our country, where would you start? You would start with the places that consume the most energy, the places where we could get the biggest bang for our buck. Remember, if you drive cost out of manufacturing, you drive cost out of all the goods that we consume. That's a big synergistic ripple effect that occurs in our country we all get the benefit of. So who believes we can drop $20 billion out of the manufacturing costs in this country? I do. Number one, I believe that through an initiative we've started in our own company, we have found extraordinary opportunities to save customers extraordinary amounts of money through the optimization of fluid power technologies, hydraulics, pneumatics, electronic controls, things like this, resource management. Mobil Oil says that they sell 100 million gallons of oil to manufacturers today just for replenishment and hydraulic systems. At $8 a gallon, that is $800 million manufacturing is spending in this country today just to put oil back in systems that is leaking into the ground. So I'm not the only one that feels this way. Dr. Lonnie Love works for Oak Ridge Labs in Tennessee, has been charged with looking at the fluid power industry and trying to uncover means to save money. And he's the one who has quoted to me 1 gig, $20 billion. He believes in looking at studies across the U.S. that we can drive $20 billion worth of cost out of manufacturing today. This would have a huge ripple effect, as I said. Why does it matter? It matters because manufacturing is how we create real wealth, and real wealth comes from manufacturing. We'll see you here next time on the Home for Innovation.